So today I'm going to show you how to create an influencer marketing campaign using Team-GPT. Hi, my name is Monica. I'm a customer success manager at Team-GPT. So let's say I'm working with Sephora to develop an influencer campaign for their new sustainable beauty collection. First, I'll open the project Sephora Influencer Marketing Campaign project. It helps me organize all campaign materials in one place. I have set up project knowledge, which is essential because everything added here will be referenced in every chat within this project. For project information, you can see our campaign objectives. Under examples, I have an influencer selection criteria framework. Finally, I've uploaded documents including product information and the campaign brief. Now I'll start a chat requesting a comprehensive influencer campaign strategy using a prompt that is saved in my prompt library. Team-GPT outlines a structured campaign outline, considering all the context I have given it inside the project knowledge. Now I'll ask Team-GPT to develop detailed influencer selection criteria based on Sephora's specific needs. This prompt name is Sephora Sustainable Influencer Selection Criteria. Now I am ready with a structured plan about the influencer selection criteria. In Team-GPT, there are many different tools that help me with everyday tasks. I'll open the Prompt Builder tool, and it will help me generate a good prompt for an influencer brief. I'll start by describing my task and press Continue. The AI will give me a set of questions to improve this prompt even more. I will ignore it for this demo purpose. Now that my high-quality prompt is generated, I can copy it and go back to the chat to use it. Alternatively, I can save it directly on my prompt library. And there we have it, a comprehensive influencer marketing campaign that gives Sephora a strategic approach to leveraging creative partnerships for the sustainable beauty collection. This workflow helps marketing teams develop authentic influencer relationships that drive meaningful brand results while maintaining alignment with product values and messaging.